So, ladies and gentlemen, here we are right in the center of Bucharest. 2 days of Crypto Expo Europe 2025, all to do with ideas, perspectives, debates, conversations around what's happening right now and in the future to help you make sense of where things are moving forward to, but also help you make better decisions and fresh new business. So let's have a look at exactly what unfolded over these last 2 days.
I'm just happy to be here, and I hope that every entrepreneur will be here or they will get information from this event because they have to keep up with all the technologies.
This is a really great conference. My first time to it, pleasantly surprised, and I hope it continues because Europe needs it.
Happy to be here. I'm happy to interact with you guys, and I've already had some really good exchanges with my colleagues in the panel, and also met some entrepreneurs with really great ideas. So I'm glad that you guys are doing this in Romania. It's a really fast-growing market. There's lots of talent, lots of ambition, and of course, as Romania, I'm super proud to see it.
It is crazy here. A lot of participants. You are growing year over the year, so if you are not already here, you should be here because a lot of things are happening.
I like what you organize here, so make sure next time you come here because it's a good opportunity for networking and meeting a lot of cool guys here.
Really nice event here at CryptoExpo. If you haven't joined this year, make sure you join next year.
Whoever infuses purpose into an AI is going to make things very difficult, complicated, and interesting for everyone else.
I've been really impressed by the speakers, the agenda, the interaction we had on stage was pretty cool.
The event is actually really good. The amount of people that came to this event, I'm positively surprised.
It's a good energy here and a lot of people and sharing a lot of ideas, and it's growing from year to year.
I'm very excited to be here. This was a great opportunity to present to a couple hundred listeners and probably much more online.
Really excited to be in Romania. Love the people, the energy at the Crypto Expo Europe. And thank you for having us.
So there we are, 2 days of Crypto Expo Europe 2025. Already looking forward to the same event next year, same place, 2026.